Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download and use Deepseek app on iPhone. So if you want to download and use the Deepseek AI application, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to get or download Deepseek AI app is go ahead and open the App Store on your phone. Once you open the App Store on your phone, what you just need to do is go ahead and click on this spotlight search at the bottom right. Then click on the search box and search for Deepseek. So you need to search for the Deepseek AI assistant. Now once you search for it, you see Deepseek AI assistant. Click on it. Now to get the Deepseek AI on your phone, click on get. Then here you will be prompted to double tap the side button on your phone to install or type in your iPhone passcode. And then once you double tap the side button on your phone, then you should see the Deepseek application installing. Once the installation process is completed, then you'll be prompted to open the Deepseek app. You can just open the Deepseek app on the App Store, or better still, go back to your iPhone home screen. On the app menu, locate and click on Deepseek. Then you should see Deepseek. Now you can now go ahead, create an account, and then start using the AI assistant on your phone. So that is exactly how to download the Deepseek app on your phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.